Kev G weather overview on your Super Bowl Sunday. So be safe out there, have a good time. And you might even be tempted to fire up the Barbie today. I mean, we have temperatures that are in the 40s, quite pleasant. It's a far cry from where we were even 48 hours ago with that significant cold blast that enveloped the lower 48 states. And as bad as it was here, it could have been a heck of a lot worse. In the Midwest and in the upper Midwest, the temperatures got frighteningly cold, and there was some loss of life with this past cold shot. So, now we've come out of it. The cold temperatures are long gone, and I think for the balance of the week, our temperatures are going to be reasonable, where they should be this time of year, if not more so, actually, a little bit higher on that scale. So, a bit of a break from the winter doldrums. Now, if you're a snow lover, you're not going to be happy with the overall weather pattern. I was looking at the overall models last night and into this morning, and this is off the European model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. This is the exact opposite of what you want if you're a snow lover. This is the overall pattern we're looking at as we go into tomorrow at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. So this is not what you want as far as the overall pattern. You want the opposite. You want higher pressure out west, and you want lower pressure to be in the eastern part of the United States. And as we go through time, that's exactly what we have. We maintain the pattern in a general sense as we go into early next week, the week of the 10th of February. So, this is typically our snowiest time of year. And from the looks of it, at least in the medium to semi-long range, we don't have the overall pattern that would be conducive for winter storms. So, if you live further away from the coast, obviously you have a better chance with these systems that are coming through this week. But even there, I think that anything frozen is going to be very short-lived. And I'll show you why. Here's the GFS model. And, the story of the first part of the week is warm weather. Our normal high this time of year should be around 40. We're going to be several degrees above that, especially on Monday and Tuesday, with temperatures, into the 50s. So quite pleasant to start the week. We have this little system that moves through on Tuesday morning with some showers, and that'll clip the northwest part of the area north of the city and coast. I don't think we really get much in the way of shower activity, but if we do get it, it's going to be in the early morning through about midday before it clears away. And then our winds shift around to the north, and that'll give us cooler temperatures for Wednesday, but not terribly cold, 40 to 45. And then this warm front moves in for Wednesday night and Thursday, and then rain develops. So early Thursday morning, rain will develop, and that rain could linger into a good part of Thursday afternoon before it starts to clear. So by Thursday night into Friday, we're in this holding pattern where we're just waiting for the cold front to come through, and that may take a little bit of time. So by Friday afternoon, Friday night, we get some rain and possibly a little bit of light snow at the end. I don't think it's a big deal unless you're, far, far north and west of the city. And then a cold weekend, and we get our temperatures at or below normal again as we get into Saturday into Sunday. But that looks short-lived because by the time we get into next Sunday into Monday, a new storm takes shape, and this may have some snow to start and then change over to rain. But again, it's not a favorable track for winter storms around here. As we take a look at Weather Underground. Oh yeah, look at this. I mean, is this February or what? Well, we need a break. Let's face it, we need a break. So, Thursday rain, not all day, probably for the first part. Friday, I think rain holds off until mid to late day, it looks like, and then turning sharply cold to Saturday, Sunday into Monday. I wouldn't worry about that snow chance yet for Monday, the 11th. Snow lovers can hold out some hope, but overall pattern's not conducive for a major winter storm around here. So the overall theme is for the first week of February, pretty warm and pleasant temperatures to start us off.